If you're new to the gym, loading a barbell with weights can be a scary endeavor, and honestly, it might be hard to know where to start. I'm going to show you how to load and unload a barbell when it is racked in a power rack or a squat rack, as well as on the ground. And if you're coming across this video and you know how to lift, you're probably thinking, dude, this is the easiest thing in the world. Well, guess what? Some people weren't super blessed to have people show them the ropes at the gym, so this video is just giving those people who need a little bit of guidance and reassurance that this is something that they can do and to get them in the right direction so they can get to the gym and lift just like yourself. All right, so we're going to start again, as I mentioned, with the barbell that's in the rack. And for this, what I want to remind you of is to make sure that you have an equal level with your barbell in the rack and that these pegs are on the same rack before you start this. And you also get the same amount of weight from the weight rack to put onto your barbell. This one's pretty easy. It's up and it's very self-explanatory. So you just simply direct it in the hole and then you place it all the way on until it hits the end of the barbell. Then you need to make sure you have one of these clips. They might look a little different at your gym, but these are basically going to keep the weight on the actual barbell so it doesn't come off during the exercise. And simply slide that thing all the way over. And repeat on the other side, sliding that weight all the way on the barbell and then your weight collar as well. And that's it for the one in the weight rack. You can move it around, you can do the weight exercises you want. Then once you're finished, you simply slide the weight collar off, slide the weight in itself off, and replace them where you found them. Once the bar gets on the ground and you start doing exercises like deadlifts or bent over rows, this gets a little bit trickier to actually load and unload the weight, but it's still not too difficult. So you're going to grab that weight again, but this time when you actually go down to put the weight on the barbell, you notice you can't just simply slide the weight on. What you have to do is actually lift the barbell off the ground, hold the barbell, and then place the weight on to the barbell while you're holding it. Another way of doing this is simply keeping the weight on the ground and then just guiding the barbell through the hole and then sliding it on just the same way. Of course, rinse and repeat on the other side. Make sure you put the collars on once again and you're good to go. Taking it off is a little tricky because you can't just simply yank it off because of the weight of gravity pressing down into the weights. So what you have to do is lift the barbell just about an inch off the ground again and then slide that weight all the way off before you can replace the weight to the weight tree or wherever you found it again. Hope this gave you a little more guidance so you can be more confident and more cool in the gym when you go. Thanks for watching.